Today, guys, we are going to be doing the SZA nose. Okay, so we're going to start off with, you know what? Her eyes. We're doing her eyes, and we're going to do her lips, and we're going to be doing her nose. So I'm going to go ahead and do everything else except for the eyes, the nose, and the lips, and I'll be right back. All right, I did my normal beat. I did my face. I did my brows. I did this. I just didn't do the contour because I was waiting for y'all. Okay, so now we are going to get into the eyes. So I'm gonna finish my eyes out, and at the top of my brow, I'm just gonna take this, and is this LA Pro Girl? Yeah, this is LA Pro Girl, and it's in the lightest shade that they had, and I use this just to highlight my underbrows, make it look nice and crispy, like I just got them arched, even though I didn't. And then you can take a shade. I like to use a shade that's lighter than me as well, and this is Pro Touch Full Coverage Concealer. I get this from the beauty supply store, and it's Kids New York Professional. Ooh, I put too much. A Subtle Flex. So we're going to be using this palette right here. We're going to use this brush right here, and we're going to take a color that is lighter, like this right here. And now we're just highlighting under the brow, like this. Like this. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. And this is going to just keep everything in its place. Next, you're going to take that color right there that's basically almost the same color as me. And you're going to go into the front. And we just do this for both sides. And all we're doing is making sure that that eye does not cry. We're going to take this time right here. And we're going to start to put it on top of the eyelid. We're going to take a deeper color, which is this one. And we're going to start putting it on the corners. Now we're ready to add some dimension into it. Give some depth to our eye on the side. So now we're going to take that color right here. It's like a deeper burgundy, and hit the corners, and that's going to be that for that part. See? It just gave my eyes some depth. White. I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using these two colors right here, the brightest, lightest of them all. And I'm going to be taking this little brush right here. We're going to be using Tattoo Studio Maybelline New York's liner. If you have a white, use that, but I can't find mine right now. This is what it looks like. I just need a lighter color to line the inward. That white would have been light. Those two. So I'm going to take the lightest one first. Put a little bit on this brush right here. And you know I do this look anyway. I do this regularly for mine because I like my eyes to look big and bright, even though they already are big and bright. I just like to do a Ruby Kiss. We're going to be using one of them to make this wing. And I like to use the liquid ones better than the ones with the sponge because it just gives me a better wing. Okay? And we're only going halfway. I be feeling like the wing is like baby hairs, like it finishes the look. So we're going to take this right here. I have links to some of this stuff. And we're going to take this e.l.f. powder right here. This e.l.f. HD powder. Don't be scared. We're going to put that right under our eyes on both sides. Alright, we're going to start working on our nose right now. So what I want you to do is take your dark color. Take the darkest color that you have. And you're just going to put it on your nose. Like this. And it's going to look crazy, but trust the process, okay? It's going to look crazy. But just put it down your nose. Like this. Also can put it right here. Crazy. But it's cool. Trust the process, okay? My food was burning. Okay, so we got the dark on the nose. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the lightest color you have. This is a very creamy color. I'm going to only put some right here. And I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to put some right here. And I'm going to stop. My beauty blender. Make sure that it's wet or damp. And we're just going to tap down the center. Blending that in. And it don't matter if it ends up getting right here. It's okay. We're going to fix it, okay? Okay, cute. I'm going to take this, which is a shade lighter than me too. And I'm going to put it at the tip here. I'm going to put a little bit more. A little bit more. And I'm going to take my finger and press that in. Fluffy brush. And we're going to dust this excess from under our eye. Now what I'm going to do is I'm ready to start to build. Take the LA Pro Girl, the lightest color you have. And you're going to put this under your eye. This is the other lighter shade. Okay, take your beauty blender and we're going to start to get a highlight under our eye. And press this into your nose like this, okay? This is going to make your nose even skinnier. You see? The side by side. take the butt end and start buffing it into your cheeks. What you want is no lines of indication. Do the same thing to the side over here. Make sure that it's wet. Take that tip and push it into the side of your nose. Now the fun part, guys. Next, what you want to do is you're going to take that fluffy brush that you had, and you're going to take this, the darkest color you have, and you are going to sweep it down your nose like this, like this. Then what you're going to do, this is where the jazz happens. Sweep it across your nose like that. What some people do, they will take their concealer brush, take the darkest color that they have, put some on their finger, scrunch their nose like this, and do this. Either way, it's getting the job done. Either way, it's going to do what you're trying to do. And what you're doing is creating the SZA nose. You're making a button nose. You see? It's causing chaos. It's causing chaos. What we're going to do is take this. We're going to take some water translucent powder. And we're just going to put it on the tip of the nose like this. And then we're going to put it down the shaft of the nose. That's why these come in handy, because they can get into small places, right? Then you're going to take it and put it on here again, okay? Let this bake. We're going to work on the lips now, okay? We're almost at the end, okay? Almost at the end of different things going on. We're going to start off with black. Use black or brown. And she does overdo it with her lips. So her lips, she does make them bigger than what they are by going above her lip line. Like that. She goes above her lip line and beneath her lower lip to create chaos. Then we're going to take this color right here. This is LA Girl. It's like a pink burgundy-ish. And we're going to just go in and work that black through it. Next, we're going to take this right here. This is Wet n Wild. It is a matte. It's called Cherry Picking. I don't want too much of that, though. I really don't. I'm basically just using that to blend in my other colors. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this color right here, which is a nude color. Put this in the middle. You see the ombre effect we've created? Now I'm going to take a jelly, juicy color. This is MAC lip gloss. Put a generous amount. I'm coming. You see that? Okay, we gotta hurry up. Next thing, you're gonna take your fluffy brush and you're gonna sweep this excess powder off from here. Sweep this excess powder from here and dust that lightly. Lightly, because you want to keep your nose extra, obviously. You know. So next, I'm going to be taking a misting spray and I'm going to just mist it. That makes it so you don't look fake. We're going to get the highlighter kit again. Take a fan brush. You're going to take a gold color and you're going to hit your cheeks. You can be dramatic or not. Non-dramatic. Sweep both sides. So that way when the sun hits. Next, very important, take your fingers and you're going to hit your tip of your nose like this. Like shining a crystal ball. Then you're going to take it and you're going to sweep it down your nose like this. I'm going to take this also and do it right here. Next, to finish this, take this. I have an e.l.f. one like this. I really like to. Add your moles. Oof. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to take this. And if you want these dots, they are in my Amazon store. I did add some black to mine because it was too light for me. Even the darkest color still was too light for my brown skin. And I just do a little here, a little there, just to make me look human. And because I really have moles all over my cheeks, I like the way they look. So I like to add these in just to make me look cutesy wootsy. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get in full SZA mode. I didn't even do any lashes, y'all. Shoot, somebody come get this wig for me. I feel like a rock star with this wig on. Ooh. Ha. Ooh. Give me the tingle shoulders. I need help. Y'all like the makeup though? makeup is really giving what it has supposed to have given. I don't know about the other stuff, but the makeup is giving me. Thank you later.